Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the deals and promotions notification on the OfferUp app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to receive notifications from messages, but you don't want to see those deals or promotions that OfferUp gives you. In order to do this, let's first click on the OfferUp app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Then scroll down and click on Account Settings. From this page, we have some blurred out information, but go ahead and scroll down and then click on Manage Notifications. Next, click on Deals and Special Offers and go ahead and turn these off. So with that, the Deals and Special Offers notification has been turned off, but you still get notifications for chat messages. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off deals and special offers notifications on OfferUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.